Listen, listen, listen to the raindrop tears striking prison. Listen, listen, listen to our souls crying as birth realizes death and shutters our eyes to the dark soul, bone and flesh. Listen, listen, listen to every tear of our page which can't be undone. Far behind our eyelids, where light is a storm to the dark, and all our unripened fruits never seen hide and secretly rot. Listen, listen, listen to the dying dew on meadows, under every fruit that goes sour, to each their own a bittersweet fate, as we each near our final hours. For without light, life cannot reign, such bitter sour juices for tempted senses to refrain. Listen, 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 can you hear the light defy dark ears? To free the stolen souls of their heart's petty rush to fool's gold, left no longer free, left broke in arrears. Listen, 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 until every rash voice goes cold in your ears. Be ceased and erased. Listen, 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 until not even desolation utters a sound in your place.